Okay, after na ta nga nag answer atong tables, mas dali to siya actually compared to the word problems. Because, kato siya, directly given ang imuhang mga given. Gihatag na diretso, no? Wala na siya ka ng analysis pa kaayo. Kaya makita mo dito ang P, ang R, ang T, ang F, ang IS. But here, in this next section, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving simple interest. So, diri sa atong word problems, kinahanglan nato og analysis. No? I-analyze nato ang problem before ta maka-proceed sa next nga steps sa process. So, let's have example number 1. Ato ni siyang sabton. A bank offers 1.5% annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos is deposited in this savings account for 1 year? Karon, ang una to buhaton is ato asang sabton ang imuhang problem. Excuse me. So naay bank nga nag-offer siya og 1.5 interest rate. Ibig sabihin, kaning first nimo na figure which is 1.5, this is automatically your rate or R. Okay? How much interest? So nana, gipangutana na, pila daw ang interest? So karon kawalo na ka nga ang imong asked is your IS. So given ang R, asked ang IS, pagkahuman, let's proceed. Will be earned if 1 million pesos is deposited in this savings account for 1 year. So, nagbutang daw ka og 1 million pesos. Therefore, unsa maning 1 million pesos dinhi? This is your original na money. Therefore, this is your principal or P. Okay? Tapos, nakay 1 year. Diba? Remember, akong gingon kaganina that year, kay kasagaran ana ang ginakuan ana is your time. So therefore sa kaninga problem, ang atuang given is your R, which is 1.5%, your 1 million pesos, which is your P, and your 1 year, which is your T. Ang atuang gipangita is your simple interest. So which of the following formulas ang atuang gamiton? I will repeat. Gipangita si IS, given si P, given si R, given ang time. Which one will we use? Again, we are going to use, that is correct, we are going to use the first formula. IS is equal to P times R times T. So, ato na siyang i-work out karon diri sa atong board. So, let us try and work this out on our own. So, a bank offers 1.5% annual interest rate. So, natay R, which is 1.5%. And then, for a particular deposit, how much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos will be deposited in the savings account for 1 year? So, isa ka tuig, nagbutang siya og 1 million. Tapos, nakakay 1.5% na interest rate. Pila daw ang atuang, si pangutana, pila ang atuang interest. So, our question mark is your IS. So, kung atong i-recall ang atuang mga formulas, ang atuang formula na dapat gamiton is 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 equal to P times R times T. Correct? Pagkahuman ana, ato na siyang i-substitute, kani siyang mga letters, i-substitute nato ang imong mga values. But remember, before we substitute your values, no, unahon sa nato og transform ang imuhang R. So, ang atong buhaton sa R, ato sa siyang i-divide by 100. So, ang mahitabuan na, mahimo na siyang 0.015. So, muna ni siya karon ang atong gamiton nga R. Timan ato na ha? Sige. So, ato na siyang substitute. Ang imong P is 1 million. Ang imong R is kani atong bag-o nga gi-solve. So 0.015 times ato sa imong time, which is 1. So use your calculators. You can use a calculator for this one. And this is actually going to result to an interest of pila? 15,000 pesos. So, ayan, muna siya ang tubo sa imuhang 1 million kung imuha siyang i-deposit sa katunga savings account for a year with this kind of interest rate. Okay, let's proceed now to example number 2. Atong sabto na po ang problem. When invested at an annual rate of 7%, the amount earned 11,200 pesos of simple interest in 2.5 years. How much money was originally invested? So, atong tanan ha, naada siya, ang isa ka investment, naa siya 7% nga rate. O, nakay clue, rate, this is your R, given ang R. Pagkahuman, the amount earned, nitubo siya sa simple interest nga 11,200 pesos. Therefore, this is your simple interest or IS. In pila ka years? 2.5 years. So, 2.5 years is your time or T. Ang pangutana, how much money was originally invested? Originally invested. This means that what we are looking for is your P or principal. So again, let us repeat. Gipangita si P, given si IS, si R, ug si T. Which of the following formulas are we going to use? Which one? This one, correct. Your formula number 4. P is equal to IS over RT. Let's work it out in our whiteboard. When invested at annual interest rate of 7%, therefore 7% is your rate, the amount earned 11,200 pesos. So your IS, no, nitubo siya. Ay, ang niyang tubo, I mean, this is your IS, is 11,200 pesos. Okay? And then, of simple interest in 2.5 years. So, years is your time. Pangutana, how much money was originally invested? Originally invested, that means your question mark or asked is your principal. Okay? Using the formulas, no, ang atong pilion is P is equal to IS over R times your T. Okay, so before that, let's convert first your this one, 7% to your decimal form. So 7% divided by 100, this is going to be 0.07. Okay, so muna ni siya itong gamito na R karon na bago. So, let's proceed by substituting. I-substitute na ito ang mga letters with these numbers. So, IS is 11,200. Base din, he. I-divide na ito siya sa imong R, which is 7%. Karon na itong gamiton is kanina. That is 0.07. I-multiply na ito sa imong time, which is 2.5. Karon, ato ni siyang i-multiply daan before nato siya i-divide in he. So, copy 11,200 divided by, pila ang result ani? Use your calculators. Ang result ana is 0.175. Atong i-divide ni siyang 0.175 sa imuhang IS nga 11,200. So, ang ato ang final answer is principal is equal to 64,000 pesos. We're almost done. Let's proceed with example number 3. Ricky borrowed 25,000 pesos and paid 1,250 interest for 6 months. What was the rate of interest? So, sa Ricky nang hiram siya og 25,000 pesos. Iyahang nibayad siya og interest nga 1,250 pesos sa loob sa 6 months or sa sulod sa 6 months. Okay? Ang pangutana, pila ang rate of interest. So therefore, your R is asked, no? Given ang imuhang P, kay mo man niyang gihiram ni originally ni Ricky at 25,000, given pod ang imong interest or simple interest, which is 1,250 pesos. And 6 months, that means this is your time. So karon asa diri ang atong gamiton ng formula. Gipangita si R, given si IS, given si P, and given si T. Which one? That's correct. This one. Sorry, na mali lang ni siya. This is supposed to be IS over PT. Ako lang i-correct. PT. Okay, let us work this out in our whiteboard. Ricky borrowed 25,000 pesos. So, muna siya ang original nga gihiram. So, muna siya ang ito ang principal. 25,000 pesos. Pagkahuman, ang iyahang gibayaran nga interest is 1,250 pesos. So, that is your IS or your simple interest, which is this amount. Okay, within, pila to ka months? 6 months. So, 6 months na ito ang time. Question is, what was the rate of interest? So, ang atong question mark, obviously, is ato ang R. Okay? So, sa atong mga given nga formulas, ang atong gamiton dito is R is equal to IS over PT. Okay? Na ako'y gamay nga error dito sa ang presentation. Sorry, that should be PT, not PR. Sa kani siya nga formula. So, karon let us proceed, no? Ato sa siya tag-awa ni siya. This is in months. Remember that time should be expressed in years. So, kung saan geto para atong ma-express ang months into years, atong i-divide siya by 12. Tama. So, ato ni siyang i-convert 6 months over 12. This is now going to be 0.5 year. Okay, muna na itong gamiton karon for your T. So, let us proceed with substituting. So, we have 1,250 IS, dara, over P, which is 25,000. And then, i-multiply nato siya sa imong time, which is 0.5 year. Okay, unahon nato ni siya og multiply ang duha before nato siya i-divide sa imuhang IS. So, karon, this is going to be 1,250 pesos divided by the answer of this, which is 12,500. So, ato ni siyang i-divide ang duha. This is going to be, the final answer is 0.1. Okay? So, kung ato siyang i-percentage form, ato siyang i-multiply by 100. So, ang final gid natong answer sa rate is pila? 10%. Okay? So, this should be your final answer. Last but not the least, let's have our example number 4. How long in years will it take for 17,300 to amount to 20,000 at 11.25% simple interest? So, unsay ang pangutana? Ang pangutana ani is how long in years. So, ang gipangita is si kinsa? Si time. Pangita ato ang time kay how long in years man. Will it take for 17,300 pesos? So, this means this is your this is your principal to amount to 20,000 pesos. So, 20,000 now is your future value. Muna siya ang total nga gitubo sa imuhang kwarta at 11.25% simple interest. So, muna siya ang imuhang rate. Diba? Kaya naka-percent form man siya, so rate na siya. So, in mathematics, you can use many formulas to arrive with the answer. Okay, remember that. So, for this problem, you're going to use 2 formulas. But before that, let's read the problem again. How long in years? How long ang pangutana? That means our question mark is time. Atong ipangita. Okay? Will it take for 17,300? So, ato ang original na kwarta is 17,300 pesos. That is your P. To amount to, mutubo siya into the value, 20,000, which is your future value. Muna ni siya ang iyang pinaka total na tubo. And then, with a rate of 11.25%. So, pila daw katuig ang mulabay para mo, kanina mong 17,300, mutubo siya into this one. Okay? So, ang atong manahon ana og buhat is katong atong so dato ang ato ang gamiton nga formula. Di ba? Ang atong gamiton na formula to find t based on my given is t is equal to is over PR. Dapat kanya itong gamiton. Tama? Kaso, sa ato ang given, wala tay is. Natay P, natay R. Check and check na silang duha. Kaso wala tay is. Kung sa itong buhaton, gamito nato ang future value nimo ang F. Unsa ang ato ang pwede gamito na formula nga naa dito sa given, nasa inyong module, no, nga makita nato si is, no, na IF, which one? O na IP. So, ang atong gamiton is katong formula nga F is equal to P plus IS. Diba? Pwede ito ni siya gamiton. Karon ato ni siyang i-transform into another formula para magamit nato, para mabalhin nato na makita nato si IS. Dili kani ang dapat na i. So, saon? Atong buhaton is ibalhin nato si P sa PCAS, no? Tapos himuon natong minus. Tama? So, may tabuan na is F minus P. Okay? Pagkahuman si IS, din ni A. Okay? So, muna siya nga IS is equal to F minus P. So, first step na to is ato sang pangitaon si IS before ta mo proceed sa ato ang second na formula. So, IS is equal to F which is 20,000 minus na nato og 17,300. Okay? Ang answer nato ana is how much? This is 2,700 pesos. So karon na natay IS, di ba? Natay IS, therefore pwede nato ni siya gamito na formula. Okay, na-gets na to? No, so kailangan ta mo agi sa isa ka formula bago ta maka-proceed sa atong original na formula kay wala man ang IS nga kinahanglan diri sa ato ang second na formula. Okay, so pagkahuman ana ato sang i-convert ni siyang rate. So 11.25% divided by 100. So our rate now is 0.1125. Okay lang so far? So, haron na tayo IS nga 2,700. Ato sana siyang i-erase din para na tayo space. So, gamito na to na. Nga given. Sige. So, atong gamito na formula is kanina. T is equal to IS over PR. Our IS kanina is 2,700. I-divide na to sa P times R. R is 0.1125. Kita ba? Okay ra. Sige. Human, ato sa ning i-multiply ang duha before na to siya i-divide din haa. So, that is going to be, ila, use your calculators. This is going to be 1,946.25 pesos. I-divide na to ang duha. And now your time is going to be 1.39 years. So, muna na siya. No? Muna ni siya ang ato ang final na answers. Okay? So, that's it. And I hope that you learned something out from this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Campegi Vlogs, for more videos about math, earth and life sciences, and many others na kailangan ninyo para sa inyong distance learning na modality of learning. So bye! Thank you very much!